Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. In today's video, we'll dive into the essential aspects of security governance and legal compliance. This video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of key principles, legal and regulatory issues, different types of investigations, and the major security control frameworks like ISO, NIST, and COBIT. Security governance involves the set of responsibilities and practices exercised by the board and executive management to provide strategic direction, ensure that objectives are achieved, ascertain that risks are managed appropriately, and verify that the organization's resources are used responsibly. The alignment of security functions with business objectives ensures that security investments support business goals and enhance overall performance. Effective risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks to acceptable levels. It includes continuous monitoring and reporting of risk posture to senior management. Proper allocation of resources is critical for implementing and maintaining effective security measures. This involves prioritizing security initiatives based on risk assessments and strategic objectives. Various laws and regulations impact how organizations manage security. Notable examples include GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulation, for data protection in Europe, and CCPA, the California Consumer Privacy Act, for consumer privacy rights in California. HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, regulates the protection of health information in the U.S. PCI DSS, the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, is a set of security standards designed to ensure that all companies that accept, process, store, or transmit credit card information maintain a secure environment. Organizations must establish and maintain compliance programs to ensure adherence to these laws and regulations. This includes regular audits, continuous monitoring, and reporting. Types of investigations. Administrative investigations. Internal investigations are conducted to address violations of company policies, such as misuse of company resources or breaches of internal security protocols. Criminal investigations. Criminal investigations involve law enforcement agencies and focus on activities that violate criminal laws such as cyber attacks, fraud, and identity theft. Civil investigations. Civil investigations concerned with resolving disputes between individuals or organizations, often involving issues like breach of contract or property rights. Regulatory investigations. Regulatory investigations conducted by government agencies to ensure compliance with specific regulations and standards, which can result in fines or sanctions if non-compliance is found. Industry standards. Industry-specific investigations often relate to compliance with standards like PCI DSS, ISO 27001, or industry best practices. Several common security control frameworks address security governance and legal compliance, ensuring organizations implement effective security measures and comply with relevant regulations such as ISO/IEC 27001 is an international standard for information security management systems, or ISMS. It provides a framework for managing sensitive company information to remain secure. NIST SP 853 offers a comprehensive set of controls to protect organizational operations, assets, and individuals. It's widely used in federal information systems and organizations. COBIT, or Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies, is a framework for developing, implementing, monitoring, and improving IT governance and management practices. It aligns IT goals with business objectives and regulatory requirements. SABSA or Sherwood Applied Business Security Architecture is a framework and methodology for enterprise security architecture and service management. Lastly, FedRAMP or Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program is a U.S. government program that standardizes security assessment, authorization, and continuous monitoring for cloud products and services. To wrap up, security governance and legal compliance are critical components for protecting organizational assets and ensuring business continuity by understanding and applying the principles of security governance. Adhering to legal and regulatory requirements, conducting thorough investigations, and utilizing established security frameworks, organizations can significantly enhance their security posture. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.